Hi guys, my name is Tristan, and my brother's outside, but I don't even know what he's doing. But I think he's gonna come in here. But yeah. So, let me go check. Okay, he's coming. yeah, he's good. Okay, I think he just fell.
Okay.
Okay. Hi Trevor, what are you doing? Ow. Okay, so my talent is burping. If you want to see a performance, sorry if you're grossed out, please. Okay. It is okay if you put a comment that was gross, but please, I don't want you to, but yeah. And just remember, I'm new to YouTube, okay? I need subscribers so I can be very, very happy and make my family very happy. So, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Smash the like button. Smash the like button and hit that subscribe button. Okay, and also turn on the bell notification. Yep, so you don't miss my videos. And today was a double upload. Yeah. Bye!